Okay, let me show you something pretty wild. Imagine being able to literally draw your instructions onto a photo, and then having AI turn that into a full video, exactly the way you imagined it. That's what Google Veo 3 can do. If you're into powerful AI tools that save you time and help you create awesome content, make sure to hit that subscribe button to stay updated. And seriously, don't skip ahead. There's a little trick coming up that might totally change the way you create videos with AI. Alright, so here's how it works. First, you take an image, any image really, and use it as your first frame. Think of this image as your visual storyboard. It's how you communicate your vision to Veo 3 without needing to write a single prompt. Personally, I like to use Canva for this because it's super easy to drop in a photo and draw on top of it. Let me give you a quick example. I've got this beautiful image of a couple embracing in the middle of a snowy street, snowflakes falling gently around them, and soft glowing streetlights in the background. Inside Canva, I use the drawing tool and just sketch a few simple arrows. First, I draw an arrow line to the couple and write, "Hug tighter." That tells Veo I want to see the couple pull each other in closer during the video. Next, I draw an arrow to the snow area and write, "Snow falls heavier." So the snowfall increases gradually. And then I put one more arrow to the warm streetlight glow behind them and type, "Lights flicker warmly," to give the whole moment a cozy cinematic vibe. Once you've got all your annotations written in, just export that image and upload it to Google Veo 3 or to Veo Flow if you're using that version. When you're setting it up, you'll see an option like Frame to Video. Click that, and Veo will scan your image, interpret your notes, and apply those movements and effects in the final video. And yeah, it actually works. In the output, the couple holds each other tighter, snow falls more intensely, and the street light gives off this soft, pulsing glow. Exactly how I envisioned it. No complex prompts needed at all. Honestly, this is one of the coolest and easiest ways to direct Veo 3. If you're not comfortable writing prompts yet, or if you just want a faster, more intuitive way to control the scene, this trick is a total game changer. You don't need any scripting skills. Just draw what you want to happen. So if you've been struggling to get Veo 3 to match your creative vision, give this method a shot. It's surprisingly powerful, especially for visual thinkers, storytellers, or creators who want more control. And hey, if this tutorial helped you, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the Vincent AI, and drop a comment below letting me know what kind of AI tutorial you'd like to see next. Thanks so much for watching,